Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace battery for HyperX Cloud Flight S. So this is the battery model 803450 based on the supplier recommendation. Right? And first of all, you need to open the right side of the headphone, and the battery is there. Okay, so there's a four screw you need to open after you remove the ear cushion, right? And it's a bit tough to open that one because of the glue is inside there. They put some double-sided tape. So once you manage to open that, you need to remove another two screws to remove the board, right? There's a board interface to the battery. Yeah, I think it's the battery. I think it's the same battery, 3.7 volt and 1.5k milliamp hour. So although it's not that similar size, but the capacity is similar. So this one I try to remove the battery from the original battery that have been broken, right? So and then I try to remove the wire soldered on the battery instead of solder on the board, right? Because what's the problem that I have is that the glue on the board is very hard to remove. So what I did is just remove the solder on the battery instead. And then so for the new battery that I have, I removed the existing cable wire, right? And then put again the solder on the battery before reattach to the circuit, right? So that's it on this one. So if you can see, I put all the solders on the new battery and try to attach the wire from the board to the new battery. It's a bit tough. I think a little tips for you guys to make sure this one is a bit easier to attach is by applying some flux. Right, so when you dip some flux to the solder wire and the wire itself, right, then it will be much easier for the solder to attach to the pad, right? Okay, so let's see. It's a bit challenging because of the wire is a bit small, right? And you need to make sure the battery not moving. Yeah, so I did already. And I try to put back the old anti-static tapes to protect the circuit from exposure, right? External exposure. And then I try to reapply the double-sided tape. So you can use the transparent double-sided tape inside and paste on the battery to make sure it doesn't move. And then put back the location of the PCB and then put back the screw. Once done, you apply another tape on top of the battery, double-sided tape, before you put on the cover. Once you put on the cover, you have to put the screw again. There's a 4 screw that you previously unscrew, right? Then once you put the screw, probably you need to see whether it can turn on, right? So in my case, it works, right? So you can see there's a green light there, right? can be green or yellow light, right? So indicating that it's working. So I put the ear cushion was already confirmed that it's working. I think, yeah, that's the last step, I guess. Okay, it's a bit tricky to put back the ear cushion, right? Once you manage to put back, then settle, right? I think it's settled, right? Yep, I think that's all. Maybe you can try again and check again if it's still working or not. Yeah, and it's still working for me. Okay, it works now. I hope it helps you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.